I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so...
Hey, in this video we're going to be overlanding and camping in the Cohutta Wilderness, which is part of the Georgia Traverse. Let's get into it. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, we are in the Cohutta Wilderness Trail today. This is part of the Georgia Traverse, which is kind of still in the Chattahoochee National Forest. We're going to be doing some overlanding, going to be doing some exploring, and going to be doing some camping. Got a couple new gear items we're looking at trying out. One is the UFO from Overland Vehicle Systems. This is pretty cool. I've been looking forward to this. It's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. And the other one's going to be a WaterPort 3.8 gallon day tank. So hey, let's get into it. If you can see how much, but we are climbing. We've been climbing for a while actually. If you look over the edge, it's way on down there. Okay, we're in the Cohutta Wilderness and we are deep. We are off the grid, no cell signal. Got the Gladiator is in place. There's the main road. It is steep to get down in here. Now this is a great spot. Very secluded. Got a fire ring right here. Got a creek, a stream, or whatever you want to call it, right next to us, and it is sweet. Got some water runways there. Got a little waterfall action up there. And here's kind of the background of this. So it is time to get everything set up and just relax. All right, guys, welcome to the Cohutta Wilderness campsite that I've got in the middle of nowhere, and I mean in the middle of nowhere. Let's just take a look at what we got going on. We got the Gladiator set up. There's a tree that's about to fall, but it's far away. Got everything set up like we did last time. Got the Roam boxes. They've been working great. Got a new insert here, which I didn't have last trip. Makes all the difference. I should have just got pockets instead of the molly panels. Again, we got the tent set up. We got the jet boil. This thing's great. I'm probably gonna do a review on this. I'm gonna do one more trip. Did make some modifications from the last trip that we were on. I realized that I just was not handling washing dishes very well. So I did buy a WaterPort right here. It's a 3.8 gallon pressurized. I'll let you know how that goes. But it does have, you know, a nozzle with it and stuff. Just got to hang in there. I need to figure that out. Trying this out right now. I don't drive with it down there, but I think I may end up putting it up here just because gravity will help out a little bit, and it'll be out of the way on the side over here. Got another new thing we're trying out today. Probably once it gets dark, I'll fire this up again. But this is the UFO from Overland Vehicle Systems. It's pretty big. It didn't look this big when I bought it online. Pretty cool, actually. It's got a whole lighting system here around, but it's got these pods that come off, and they can act as individual lights. They can do amber. They've got magnets on the back. They've got hooks as well, so you can just hook it up to some stuff. You'll see this when we start camping in a little bit. And when you're done, you just put these guys back up like so, and they just go in. There's also a Bluetooth radio in here that works pretty good. Again, we got our fire going here. Got our Zoleo. This has worked out really good for GPS messaging. Got my bucket, just in case. And then probably the thing that is best about this campsite is the stream. This is Mill Creek, and it is just absolutely awesome. Great sound. We're really, really close. Lots of little water spillways. It is just so relaxing. This is my campsite. I am pretty secluded out here, just like I like it. Again, this is why we do this stuff. At least this is why I do it, is to get off the grid, get away from everything, and but still, you know, live a little bit of luxury while we're out here. I mean, we are in a Jeep Gladiator. More to come. Let's get some dinner started here shortly. I am positively loving this UFO Light, and I'm not sure how I've ever lived without it. It actually solves all of my lighting needs. This thing's absolutely huge, and if I have to stack it on the bumper moving here, I will. Lights up everything out here. I've got it on low. It seems really bright, but it's really nice. I took 2 pods out of it, and I actually have them on the tailgate, and it's lighting up for we're preparing dinner. And I got a 3rd pod that I'm actually going to put up in the tent afterwards. I mean, this just solves all my lighting issues. I used to have to carry lights all around. I got them all in the boxes down there. I got a whole pouch full of them. But this thing just does the job. But it is huge. right, good morning everybody. We got the coffee brewed, we got the fire going, and the stream is sounding like a stream. This has been a really good trip into the Cohutta Wilderness. We still got to get out. About to make some breakfast. Not sure if I'm just going eggs or French toast. All right, we got breakfast ready to go. Just went with 2 eggs sunny side up and 3 pieces of sausage we just cooked, and it looks awesome. Got the fire going. It's warming up a little bit. I think it's up to about 40 now. But look at this. The sun is coming through the trees. All of the leaves are turning. It's just so amazing right now. This is it's a good time of year, and the sky is just perfect. Very many. It's just nice and clear. Well, let's eat. The Cansaga Lake Dam. It's a small little lake down in here. It's got some camping. I'm in a boat launch area. So gotten a little off the path, but it's pretty sweet. This is why we have these things. I am having such a great trip in the Cohutta Wilderness right now. So we have really gotten off the path here, gotten out near this lake, and now we're gonna start getting back on the main route. Well, hey guys, what a great weekend. Just heading out of the Cohutta Wilderness right now. It has just been outstanding. The leaves have just changed. The colors were great. The temperatures were good. Got a little cold last night, but thoroughly enjoyed it. This is a great part of the Georgia Traverse I had not been to, and how epic was that camping spot right there on the river. I didn't see anybody. We had a bunch of creek crossings, or whatever you want to call that, stream, whatever. It wasn't very big, but it was great. Hey, thanks for watching with me. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell. We got new videos out all the time. I'm going to start hitting some more of these Georgia Traverse things. These are great things you can do in North Georgia. You don't even have to leave the state. All right, everybody have a great week.